You're welcome. Today I'll show you how to make this evening bag. I have decorated it with bee and I used metal handle. And then I have zipper here, which I sew it on the linen here. I haven't sewed the linen on the back yet. It's quite big. And I think it's quite pretty. Let's see how to make it. For this bag we will use this ribbon yarn and our crochet will be 8. We will begin our work with a knot here, and then we will make 15 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 15. One more, and single crochet to the second chain from the hook. We'll do this until the end of the row. I'm at the end of the row. I have one more stitch and I'll make 3 single crochet in this stitch. 1, 2 and 3. We are hiding our tail also when we're crocheting, and now I'll make single crochet across the other side here. We will do the same until the end of the row. Our single crochets are facing each other in each side. I'm at the end of the row. Now I'm at the stage that I have made the first single crochet. So I'll make 2 more in the same stitch to have the same stitches as the other side, and then slip stitch to join our row. 1 single crochet, 1 chain, and then single crochet in the same stitch. Now I'm opening my yarn. Good. I'm yarn over to my finger, and then here single crochet, take off the yarn and finish the single crochet. Single crochet at the next, and then again yarn over your finger, make a single crochet in the next stitch, and we have the half ribbon. Then single crochet, and then we have the ribbon at the next stitch. Then single crochet, yarn over to your finger here, and single crochet. 1 single crochet, and we have this one. We'll do the same all around, and I'm going to meet you at the next row. I'm at the end of the row. I made the ribbon here, the half ribbon, and now I have to make single crochet. I'll make it at the last stitch. Here is where we are finishing our row. I'm not gonna join my row, and I continue all around. this is our first stitch, so I'll insert my hook there to our first stitch. This is the chain we have made. Here I'll make my ribbon. Here is the half ribbon we have. I'll make single crochet in it. Then you can notice that between the two single crochet we have the space. We make our ribbon there and just single crochet over this ribbon we have made at the previous row. Again, we are the space that haven't the ribbon. We'll make yarn over to your finger and make single crochet, and then here plain single crochet, and then yarn over to your finger, insert your hook between two single crochet and make single crochet. Here yarn over to your finger and single crochet here. Single crochet here, and keep doing this all around until we reach the height we need for our bag. I finished my bag. It's about 9 inches wide and the height is 650 here, and we can decorate it with this. It will look more evening bag with this, and then we'll add chain handle. It's too long, we can use it as long, but I'll advise you can use that with shorter. Well, pull through the one and I'll catch the two sides, and then I can take the circle here. I'll tie it here and I twist and now we will have short handle, and then I'll join here and here, so we have shorter handle. Thank you for watching. See you at the next project. Bye.